If you love authentic barbecue, complete with the smoky smell and fall off the bone tenderness, but think that making it yourself is a challenge, you need to get to know the new digital smokers from Char-Broil. We've been innovating outdoor cooking for over 65 years and have learned about the features you need to barbecue with confidence. Smarter smoking. Get peace of mind and watering of mouth, knowing that your food is perfectly cooked with our removable and washable temperature probe. Set and forget. Our electric element provides consistent heat, while the generously sized wood chip box lets you load once for up to 6 hours of smoke. Spend more time with the guests and less with the smoker. Intuitive controls. We've designed digital controls you'll understand instantly. Plus, they'll alert you when your food is done and keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Functional interior. All the thoughtful details inside make cooking carefree and easy. Configure the grates for whatever you're cooking in seconds, and cleaning up is a snap with our side access grease tray. There are 2 options to pick from, both with the same great features. The deluxe model has a window door and light, and a remote control so you get an even better idea of how it's going. The new Char-Broil digital smokers are smart and easy additions to anyone's outdoor cooking arsenal. We put in all the work to make it easy for you to focus on the flavor. This is what authentic, smoky, tender, and juicy barbecue looks like. And this is what it looks like to cook it yourself. Smart and easy. Introducing the new Char-Broil digital electric smoker with Smart Chef technology. Now you can sync your smoker with any compatible smart device to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Get real-time cooking info anytime, anywhere. Cooking freedom. Receive notifications at key cooking times. Never worry. Find a library of pre-programmed recipes at your fingertips. Endless inspiration. Your smoker's heat is digitally controlled so it always stays at the right temperature. The Smart Meat Probe ensures your food is always perfectly cooked. The Char-Broil Smart Chef app lets you monitor cooking time, meat temperature, and chamber temperature. Everything you need to be confident your cook is going perfectly. Your devices use Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. Your smartphone sends data through the cloud to your smoker. Your Wi-Fi enabled smoker sends the info back to the phone so you always know what's going on with your cook. At Char-Broil, we've been innovating outdoor cooking since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to cook with confidence. The digital electric smoker offers the capacity to feed the entire team or prepare meals for the whole week. The supersized smoke box has the capacity to cover the longest cook, so you can focus on other activities. Prep and cleanup are quick with 4 removable stainless steel racks. The interior parts and grease tray come out with no tools required and they're dishwasher safe. The new Char-Broil digital electric smoker with Smart Chef technology. Simply a better way to smoke.
Hi, I'm John McLemore here to tell you all about the Masterbuilt digital electric smoker. You'll achieve competition-ready results in your own backyard without any hassle. Simply plug the smoker in, set the digital controls, and it does the work. Digital controls allow you to turn the smoker on and off, set the temperature and the time. Integrated thermostat temperature control provides even, consistent smoking. This smoker is fully insulated, locking in the heat and smoke, allowing you to smoke year-round. 4 chrome-coated smoking racks give you plenty of room for smoking all of your favorite recipes. There is a water bowl which is great for adding moisture and flavor and catching excess drippings. It has a removable drip pan for easy cleanup. The patented wood chip loader allows you to add wood chips without ever opening the smoker door. There's no need for special pucks or pellets. Just simply add 1 small handful of your favorite wood chips. The air damper controls the amount of smoke for flavor and moisture. Masterbuilt has made smoking simple. For more information, check us out at masterbuilt.com. Hi, I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt, and I'm here to tell you all about our 40-inch digital electric smoker. The insulated design allows you to smoke food in any outdoor temperatures. Notice it has a full viewing window. Inside, we have 4 smoking racks. One of the designs is the bend on the back that allows you to pull those racks about 50% out for marinating that food and checking those recipes. Down at the bottom, we have a stainless steel water bowl that's great for catching those drippings and for adding moisture to your recipe. We have the ash tray at the bottom that is for discarding those wood chip ashes. You also have a drip tray in the bottom. Notice the hole in the back for all of those drippings to go out to the back. We'll show you that in a moment. Next is the meat probe, great for checking the internal temperature of those recipes. Now we're going to close the door up and talk about the adjustable door latch. This allows you to seal that door complete when smoking those recipes. We also have a convenient handle and wheels, great for portability. On top of the smoker is the air damper that controls the amount of smoke and moisture in the chamber. We also have the digital control panel up top, great for setting the temperature, the time, checking the meat probe, and the light. This is what people really love, the remote control. This allows you to set the temperature, the time, check the meat probe, and the light, all within a 100-foot radius of your smoker. Before you smoke all of those dadgum good recipes, there's one very important step, and that's pre-seasoning your Masterbuilt smoker. Using your remote control or the digital control panel, press on off, press set temp 275, press set temp to lock temperature. Press set time for 3 hours, press set time for the minutes, press set time, you'll indicate heating, and on the remote control, it'll actually say heating. During the last 45 minutes of the pre-season, let's add wood chips by using the side wood chip loader. It allows you during the process of all of your recipes to load wood and never having to open the smoker door. You'll notice on the back of the smoker the grease tray. This catches excess grease drippings from the inside of the smoker. So there you have it, all you need to know about this incredible smoker. Be sure and read your instruction manual, and if you want some great tips and recipes, just visit us at masterbuilt.com.
Revolutionize the way you barbecue with a 30-inch Bluetooth digital electric smoker from Dynaglow. This premium smoker doesn't trade quality for convenience. You'll get classic barbecue taste while you sit back and relax. Enjoy complete cooking control with Bluetooth connectivity using your smart device. This smoker is designed for easy access and a simplified cooking process, featuring digital push-button controls, an integrated meat thermometer, and removable rib rack with sausage hooks. With 732 total square inches of cooking space and a 1,000-watt burner, you'll have all the cooking power you need to take your barbecuing to the next level. Smoking has never been so simple with a 30-inch Bluetooth digital electric smoker from Dynaglow.
Shack has proudly manufactured commercial cooking equipment for over 55 years, right here in the United States. We started with the electric-style smoker oven, and now offer pellet-fired smokers, char-broilers, and pizza ovens. Cook Shack Smart Smoker Ovens are the smoker of choice for chefs, restaurant owners, food trucks, delis, caterers, kitchen managers, meat processors, and other food service professionals. The quality of the product, ease of use, cleaning and maintenance, along with their small footprint, makes them a popular choice. Cook Shack Smart Smokers produce hot or cold smoked foods by application of heat and wood smoke. Heat is supplied by electronically controlled heating elements. Smoke is created as wood smolders in the wood box. Oven temperatures range from 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The IQ5 digital controller features 3-stage cooking, optional probe cooking, 8 programmable cooking presets, a 16-character LCD display, and USB port for downloading cooking data. Cook Shack Smart Smokers are made of double-walled stainless steel with 850 degree Fahrenheit spin glass insulation, keeping the heat inside the unit with the outside remaining cool to the touch. Cook Shack Smart Smokers are designed to be used indoors with proper ventilation for smoke or outdoors. Optional accessories include a meat probe, seafood grills, rib racks, cold smoke kits, flavor infusion reservoir, and smoke hoods. Contact us today for more information on our high-quality cooking products. Cook Shack, high-quality barbecue at your fingertips.
Hello, I'm Dave Mason with Cook Shack. I work in commercial sales, and we're here to talk about our SM260 smoker today. And this is it right here. This is the SM260. It is a 220 volt single-phase electric smoker, and it has capacities of 240 pounds of pork butt, 200 pounds of brisket, 100 pounds of ribs, or 40 whole chickens. I also have some accessories here to show you. This is how the oven is set up when it's built. It's got 6 stationary racks that are 24 by 24, and it's approximately 24 square feet of cooking space. One of the first accessories I'll tell you about is the meat probe that works 2 different ways with this controller. What the meat probe is, it has a port here on the front of the controller. You plug the probe in to there and run it down through the exhaust hole into the smoker and plug it into a centrally located piece of meat. And the probe will then do one thing. Every time the oven temperature is flashed on the screen, it will also flash the internal temperature of the meat that you have the probe plugged into. The other use of the probe is if you push the probe button, you can change it from timer to probe and then just set the temperature that you want your products to get to. And then as soon as that probe hits that temperature you have set, it will kick the smoker into hold for you. Some of the other options that we have available as far as grills go, these are chrome nickel-plated grills, and we also have stainless steel grills that you can put in the place of the nickel grills. We have seafood grills that are like this that you can, for cooking things that have smaller surfaces and like shrimp and things like that. And one of the other options that we have is this smoker will hold 4 rib racks, and each rib rack holds 10 racks of ribs, and usually the St. Louis style fit in here, and you can cook 40 racks at a time. When we build smokers here at Cook Shack, we build them with you guys in mind, and the main thing we concentrate on is consistency with our smokers and with the cooks that you perform out there in the field. This is the IQ5 controller. It accomplishes a lot of things for us because for one thing, it's got the probe function that you use here, and we have 2 cook stages on here, so you can start off at one temperature and set the temp and time, and then have it travel into the next cook stage, and then have a different time and temperature, and then following that it will go into hold. Or you can just cook at one temperature for a length of time and then go into hold, or cook with the probe. Some of the best features about this controller though is the 8 memory buttons at the bottom. When you have a cook that you consider to be perfect for your type of food, what you can do is you can program that cook in here, and once you hit start, you can hold one of these buttons in until it beeps, and you've just programmed your cook into that numbered button. far as other controls on here, we have a USB port. It is right now, it is a device that we can actually reprogram the controller with, but this also acts as a recording device. It will keep track of your last 500 hours of cooking times and temperatures. Each time you turn this off, it creates a new graph. So you can always tell if you lost power during the cook or anything else like that. Venting on this machine, there's a exhaust hole right behind the controller here. And that, the way it sits, it's made to just push under a hood and run like that. There are some other options though. You can put it under a Type 1 hood, a Type 2 hood. We do have some options on venting it out direct, but it all kind of comes down to your local government. If you are interested in any of our equipment like this SM260 or any other equipment, you can contact us at 800-423-0698 or go to our website at www.cookshack.com, and we look forward to working with you.
G'day, Mick here from Z-Grills Australia. Today I'm going to do my very first ever brisket, and that's the honest truth. I've never done a brisket before, so we're going to do it in the 700E Z-Grills today. So here's our nice simple rub. So we're just going to mix that up. Just going to trim off some of the excess fat here. Now again, I've never done this before, so I am absolutely just going with my instinct here. So if you're a butcher and you're laughing, laugh away. I don't mind. I'm not even going to talk about the anatomy of this meat because I will make myself sound stupid. We've got the flat and we've got the point. It's a big piece of brisket, which I'm going to cook in the Z-Grill, and that's about as much information as I'm going to give you today. Alright, so there we have it. I am going to put a lovely rub on this. So we'll open the lid, turn on to smoke, start that up. Let's do it. Oh, and now we've got some smoke. So we can close the lid, take her up to 107. These European wasps are driving me absolutely crazy. Oh, there she goes. Okay, so we're just setting up probes in our meat and also a probe behind the meat so we can monitor the temperature inside the grill. This on the Inkbird. Alright, so we've got 3 temperatures. So we've got 9, 8 and 58. I put this on early because the wasps were attacking me, so forgive me for being impatient. So on our Inkbird we can see we're 52 degrees at this end of the brisket and we're about 39 at the other end, and we can also see the temperature in this corner is about 101 and about 107 on this back left hand corner. So a little bit warmer at this end. I'm actually going to flip the whole brisket around so the fatter end is in this warmer end of the grill. She is looking a little bit dry, so I'm going to give a bit of a spritz. A bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, the time has come to wrap this because we're up to 66, 72. I waited until we got about that 70 degree temperature. And so I'm going to wrap it in foil. I'm not a huge fan of wearing gloves, but for the brisket apparently you've got to wear fancy black gloves, so here I am. Layer 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Woo! Hot. I'm actually going to take one of these gloves off because I do not like wearing gloves at all. I hate gloves. We want to wrap this very tightly. I'm going to add a cup of beef stock into here so we can get a little bit of moisture in there. So wrap nice and carefully so don't rip anything. And as you can see, this is a big piece, we're going to do double wrap. So I might wrap this direction now. It's important to have a nice thick foil. Still at 107. Big end over here. Put our probes back in. So what I'm going to do now is just adjust the target temperature or the alarm, the custom alarm, to about 95 on this. 7 hours in, wrapped at 70 degrees. Okay, so it's now 8:45. We have been cooking this brisket for 9 hours 55 minutes, wrapped at 7 hours, so 3 hours wrapped. Now well and truly up to temperature, 93, 95. So I am going to do some probing, and if it's nice and tender, probe like butter, I'm going to wrap it in my lovely starry cloth here, and then I'm going to stick it in the esky. Let's have a look. Oh, no resistance. I'm going to call it, taking it off. Oh, there we go. Rappity wrap wrap. Some nice steam coming out there. I'm going to wrap tightly and into my rather small, pathetic esky. I'm going to have to jam this in here. Alright. Actually, it might be perfect size. Oh. Yeah. Go in. Go in. Oh. Alright. 2 hours later, time to slice. Okay, have a look inside. It's not bad at all. Pretty happy with that. So, bend test, pull test. It's a pretty thick bit, but nice smoke ring. Tastes really good. I'm actually really happy with that. Good bark, good flavour. Not bad at all for my first try. I didn't put a crazy amount of rub on there, but it's really actually quite tasty. Alright, I'm just laying all these different cuts out. Brisket, brisket, brisket. Now, here's what I found. It's a complicated bit of meat. There's so many different parts. You've got these lovely long, flat, obviously the flat pieces here. Nice spark all the way around, nice smoke ring. Obviously at the bottom here, you've got these fatty bits here. I'm not going to try and use the right names, I don't know what they're called. But you've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 different parts, all with slightly different textures, different fat levels, different flavours. Super tender, really good flavour. And again, the rub I had, that was super simple. But I mean, these little chunky bits at the end, really good. That's fantastic. So I'm very happy with that, my first go. Delicious. That's what I call it. Cheers.
I've been watching closely now, been looking for a sign. And I can feel inside of me that this season is mine. That I will find my place. Yeah, this is my year. This is my year.
Here we've got the 450A and the 700E. The difference between these two models, the 450A has a smaller cooking area, small top rack, and a main rack area. The 700E has a much larger cooking area, big enough to do a full brisket or a huge barbecue cook-up. Instead of using gas, we use Aussie hardwood pellets. No additives, just wood compressed to make these small pellets. These are fed in through the hopper, into the grill, ignited in the fire pot to provide heat for the grilling.
Z-Grills is a wood pellet smoker that gives me the freedom to spend more time with friends and family while having my food smoked to perfection.
Z-Grills gives you the flavor of cooking with wood in a temperature-controlled smoker. Smoke, sear, braise, barbecue, grill, roast, or char grill your meat and vegetables to perfection in this sleek-looking grill that complements any backyard. The digital temperature control regulates a feed of wood pellets to the fire pot where the wood ignites. Pick from a variety of wood types to flavor your meat and never deal with flare-ups, hot grease, or mess. Enjoy the freedom Z Grills gives you to enjoy life while cooking like a pro. In an effort to maintain meticulous quality, Z Grills built an automated production facility. The factory is equipped with laser technology, automatic cutting, and welding machines. Thousands of units have been tested to ensure quality production. Z Grills works in collaboration with its U.S. locations in Atlanta and Los Angeles to manage and service clients across North America. Our team of designers, manufacturers, and customer service representatives makes Z Grills a self-sufficient company that produces best-in-class barbecues and wood pellet grills.